So what is the conclusion? Theta equal to tan inverse of 3. So I found the angle between these two curves at 5 comma 5. You should find the angle between the curves at minus 5 comma 5. Okay, just a small observation. X square plus y square equal to 50 is a circular equation. X square equal to 5y is a parabola. Second degree in x means it open upwards. So first one is circular equation whose center is 0 comma 0, radius root of 50. Second one is x square equal to 5y, parabola open upwards. Okay, so what happened here? This curve, both curves are intersected to different points. This is 5 comma 5. This is minus 5 comma minus 5 comma 5. So what happened? What is the angle between these two curves? At 5 comma 5 is tan of 3 means angle between those two curves at minus 5 comma 5 also tan of 3 only, because both the graphs total figure is symmetrical about the y-axis. So what is the angle between these two curves at the 5 comma 5? Same as the angle between these two curves at the point minus 5 comma 5. This is example 2. Okay students. Next concept is orthogonal curves. Orthogonal curves. Okay. Orthogonal curves. Two curves are said to be orthogonal at some point where they intersect. At that point, angle between them is 90 degree. So angle between two curves is 90 degree. Then those two curves are said to be orthogonal at that particular point. Okay. Example 3. Find the angle between y square equal to 4x and y square equal to x by 2. Actually, this problem belongs to this concept. We want to find angle between these two curves. We need to solve them, or we need to find their point of intersection. Sometimes it becomes difficult to find point of intersection. Say this is y square equal to 4x is first curve, y square equal to e power minus x by 2 second curve. So 2y into y dash equal to 4, y dash equal to e power minus x by 2 into minus 1 by 2, or y dash equal to 4 by 2y. Here y dash equal to minus 1 by 2 to e power minus x by 2. So let these two curves intersect at alpha comma beta. So this is point P. So I want to find the slope of first curve at P, that is 4 by 2 beta. M2 I am finding slope of this curve at this point, that is minus 1 by 2. Here only I can write minus 1 by 2 into e power minus x by 2 means y only. I can write minus y by 2. So this is beta. Simple observation, product of these two becomes minus 1 only. Observe here, 2 2 1 2 2 get cancelled, beta get cancelled, m1 m2 equal minus 1. Means what is the meaning of this? These two curves are orthogonal curves because angle between them is minus 1 where they intersect. Okay, we'll see next example. Right, fast. See students, another example, example 4. If the curves ky plus x square equal to 7 and x cube equal to y are orthogonal at 1 comma 1, then find k. Both the curves are orthogonal at 1 comma 1 means angle between these two curves at this point is equal to 90 degree. So, for example, assume that slope of first curve at this point is m1, slope of second curve at this point is m2, then m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. That's why take first curve ky plus x square equal to 7, k into y dash plus 2x equal to 0, y dash equal to minus 2x by k. So what I am doing, y dash at what point? Say this is m1. I am finding m1. Means slope of this curve at this point 1 comma 1 minus 2 by k. So second curve is x cube equal to y. 3x square equal to y dash. So I can say this is m2 at this point 1 comma 1, that is 3. So given curves are orthogonal, that is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So minus 2 by k of 3 equal to minus 1. So we will get k equal to 6. So at the value of k equal to 6, both the curves are orthogonal. Right done. Okay students, one more example. Example 5. Find the angle between xy equal to a square and x square plus y square equal to 2a square. Okay, we want to find angle between these two curves. So first of all, we want to find the point of intersection. Solve them. So yeah, x square plus y square equal to 2 times half. Instead of a square, I can write xy. So this is x minus y whole square equal to 0. X is equal to y. Okay, substitute this x equal to y. Anywhere you get x and y value in terms of, I think, a. So this is curve 1. So this is curve 2. Okay, so 1 x equal to y, x square equal to a square, or x equal to a. Sometimes you can say plus or minus. I think x equal to a means y equal to a. Implies y equal to plus or minus a. The point of intersection is a comma a or minus a comma minus a. We need to check both will satisfy or not. Okay, 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 okay. There are 2 point of intersections. So at this point you want to find angle between them, and at this point also you want to find angle between them. So I want right here C1 curve 1 here u formula y plus x y dash equal to 0 or y dash equal to minus y by x. For curve C2, where is here 2x plus 2y into y dash equal to 0 or y dash equal to minus x by y. Okay, now what you need at a comma a, you want to find angle between them at a comma a, m1 for first m1 minus a by a minus 1, m2 minus 1. Both are same, means curves are parallel, means tangents are parallel at the point of a comma a. Therefore, angle between them is 0 degree. Can say 0 also. Again at minus a comma a also. At minus a comma minus a. I think there also will get 0 only. At minus a comma minus a also will get 2 parallel tangents. At that parallel tangents, angle is 0. 0 degree, 0 degree, no problem. Right. Okay students, now I want to give some more problems based on this concept.